Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the monthly, I still think this looks like impulsive down, and this looks like three waves up. But then what happened was it made another three waves down. So, we have to be a little careful because this may be the end of a correction, and it very easily could go up and maybe even take out these highs. I still think there's a good possibility this move up is either going to make a double top or maybe a little bit of a lower high and end up continuing the downtrend. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can actually see what I mean about three waves down, impulsive down, three waves up, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down with a break of structure. That definitely proves to me that this setting up trend is over. Now, whether this goes up and makes three waves up and makes a lower high, and then ends up continuing the downtrend or not, I guess we're just going to have to wait and see. But what's important to know is that we are definitely going up, and there's no reason to think this move is over, and I definitely would be looking for longs on these sort of time frames. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame is where you can see this trend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's very, very overlapping, which makes you think even more that it is a trend for wave C because trends within corrections usually are very overlapping. I see that we have a Fibonacci bounce right here, but I don't really think there's any reason to think this is over. I do think that it's at least going to go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels and maybe even go all the way up and take out the previous high. So I definitely am looking for longs on sort of time frames at the end of any pullbacks that I may see. So going down to the 4 hour time frame is where you can see the last major ABC pullback that we had. Three waves down, impulsive up. Like I said, I don't believe this trend is over, and I believe that it will continue the uptrend. We're probably got like a wave 1, 2, and we're probably going to go up for a wave 3, and most likely form that pattern like I was showing on the longer time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we're definitely looking for longs right now. It kind of looks to me like impulsive down, almost like this is an A. It looks like three waves up, almost like a B. I wouldn't be surprised if it does make a little bit of a push down to make a wave C, but then as soon as that wave C is over, I think it's going to keep on trending up. So you definitely could trade this to the short side for the wave C, but I think the trades that we primarily need to be looking for is longs in an uptrend, especially based on the higher time frames. So if I see the end of a trend for what I think is a wave C, then that's exactly what I would be looking for a long entry for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.